Hello everyone. It was a good week this week, and I'm very glad because the weather is warm enough. It was calm also the rain. It was rain a little. And still we have some water in the earth. The water from spring is calm now. I'm very happy for that. Yeah, the human beings. I appreciate more the water when I don't have it. When I have it, I forget I didn't have it, and it's very crazy what is happening. But I'm happy, and I'm very happy, and I'm very grateful because I have water. I don't know what is happening in the future, but no, it's okay. This year, in my plan is to be more sustainable. Every day, probably I'm thinking about these subjects. It's very important for me. I've changed also to the name of this channel, Sustainable Farm. I'm not there, but this is my way. This is the way where this is the goal where I want to be, where I want to arrive in this position to be very sustainable. I'm planting more acacia because fake acacia is not acacia, but it's doing the same like acacia. It's Robinia pseudo acacia is the name in Latin name, because in the last couple of years I've studied the plants also in the Latin name. I started from the uni with Latin name of the plants. I have some emotion because it's not usual for me to speak in the front of the camera, and I still need to practice with these things to to be more to be more comfortable with the camera. Yeah, I'm happy, and I want to show you, and I want to teach you my experience here. I repeat by myself. I repeat all the time what I speak because probably we need some repeats to do the good things. Like I don't know many things that I know. I don't know more than what I know. This is obviously for me, and I still need to learn. And I don't believe I'm teacher, or I don't know. I just show, and I just share my way to arrive to be sustainable. And it's very easy for me to show you what I'm doing, like to footage without speak. For me it's more hard and more difficult to speak in the front of the camera than can I show you outside without speak, just to show you what I'm doing. It's much easy. A lot of people it's ask me to speak in the front of the camera, and they have right, but in my opinion it's not just to speak, it's also to show, because before to have this YouTube channel, um, just couple of people they show in permaculture or sustainable or natural breeding, they show what they doing. They, they just speak about these things, and it was hard for me to understand, and I wish to have to see somebody who just buildings, to bring the idea to from what is doing, like to the practice, not to just in the head. It's very good to combine these things, to speak and also to practice. For that, I try to speak in the front of the camera. I put just when it's finished the videos to not boring the people who watch just what I'm doing. If you don't like it to see me when I speak, you just need to close the video. For that I put it, yes, I try to be more organized on YouTube, on my videos, on any video. I want to be any video more educational and more specific about some subjects, but yeah, I don't want to put too much pressure, and I don't want to telling you what I want to do, because not any time I do it what I speak, because I start to write all my plans, and I see when I go in the back I don't do all the things, because in the time it's changed my plans, and it's hard to explain you what was happening, and not all the time I share everything, you know. It's hard to share almost everything on YouTube. I share just the parts who I thinking is good for you to watch, or I don't know, stuff like that. I like this community. I like all the comments. I'm sorry because I didn't respond to all of you, but I see many of them. I see, but it's hard to respond, and I want in the time just to give you the to love your comments, but to not answer in the to write the to I want to respond you like in the video, like to speak with you. Yeah, it's good idea. I have many ideas from everything, from here, from videos, from documentary, from all the type of things, but the practice, fucking hell, the practice, it's hard to put in every moment, you know, because I'm human like you, and I don't have all the time motivation, I don't have all the time the energy. I don't know, it's not hard, but still, you know, it's difficult, not all the time, and yeah, I'm a person, very ambitious person, but still, I'm human beings and I have some problems, me too. Never mind. Yes, and thank you for watching my videos, for likes, comments, share, subscribe, from everything. Thank you. And I wish to make a big community about sustainable in this world. And I don't want to speak about this. It's too much for me what is happening now in the world. And for that, I want to speak more. Also for that, to help the people who is not sure what they can do. This is the good way to start, in my opinion, to have some piece of land and to start to building your life, because why not, you know, what you don't lose nothing, you know. It's yeah, thank you, have a nice week, and we see next week. Cheers, bye.